In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll and use all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those sections to see all available ones. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to switch them off or turn them on, and when you're ready, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wanna customize it though, go back to the same settings and tap on plus icon under my themes. Now click on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. If you want to manage any of your themes in the same section of your settings, you can click on one of your downloaded ones, only to delete it from here by tapping on this pin at the top right corner and tapping on yes after that, just to get rid of it from this section, because you can always download it again by clicking on it here. To edit or delete one of your custom ones though, after tapping on it, you can either select bin icon, click on yes, or tap on this pen one to make your changes. Tap on next, select save, and make sure to tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!